I like to bring Olivia out here because it does get her away from the technology. And I think our world is too saturated with social media, television, gaming, whatever it is in your life, because we have it in our life. I like to pull her away from that and give her an opportunity to be in an environment that is just pure. It's simple, it's easy, it's basic. And I think to step away from complicated. Life is complicated sometimes, but this isn't. This space is not complicated. This space is easy. This space is forgiving. And so I think for anyone of any age to be able to have that type of place to go and just kind of exhale and breathe and know that, there isn't anything negative in this space. That's why I like coming out here, because I know when I walk out here, I'm leaving all of whatever's going on in my world, I'm leaving it behind for a moment just to come in and just be in a space that's calm and quiet, and then I can regroup and go back to the complicated.